Hey everybody, this is Kevin from Klotz Productions, and this is part 2 of opening up my box. So I'll go ahead and jump in here. So far I pulled some decent stuff. Like I said in the last video, I will put a list of all the rares in the description on all the videos, however long this takes. Might be able to get through this video. Token, land, Coralhelm Commander, Dragon Token, Plains, Conquering Manticore. So far I think the first box I opened was better, but we'll see if it gets better here at the end. First box open was pretty good though. Junk card, land, Eldrazi Temple. It's worth some money. I'm not even sure, like I said in the other video, I'm not sure what I'll be playing or if I'll be playing for rotation, so some of these cards might be better than my initial reaction. Jump card, land, Devastating Summons, oh. Token, land, Training Grounds. I think it's my third Training Grounds now. Got one in the box and one at the launch tournament party. Need to pull a Gideon, that's what I need. Junk, land, oh, there it is. Speak of the devil. Good timing, right? Well, that's a good rare right there. It's probably the most expensive one right now. Now, what if I pulled another one? That would be ridiculous. Foil. Junk. Land. Hedron Matrix. Should be able to get through the box in this video. Token, land, Awakening Zone, decent card. Probably see some play with all the Eldrazi's and Spawn in this set. I think that's my second one of those. Token, land, Near-Death Experience. It's my second one of those. Got one of those in the other box. Foil, Curse of Wizardry. Junk, land, World at War. I don't know most of these cards. I didn't really take the time to look through all the cards. So, I don't know what some of these do. They might actually be good. Token, land. Just know the common ones, like that one. I know that one. It's my second one of those. I got one in the launch party. It's probably worth some money. Might see some play in a Vampire's deck or something. Foil, Demonic Apprentice. Junk, land, Nirkana Revenant. It's mythic. It's a vampire as well. For all you vampire lovers. Token. Land. Dormant Gomazoa. 4 packs left. Token, land, Lightmine Field. Not really expensive right now, but I think it might actually be a decent card in control decks. Maybe not. Guess we'll see. Junk card, land, Spawn Sire Vulamog. Two more packs. Token, land, Gorger, another one. And the last pack. Token, land, Splinter Twin. So that's it. Some of the better rares probably pulled would be the Eldrazi dude, obviously Gideon, Eldrazi Temple, Student of Warfare, Transcendent Master, that dude, Ulamog, Bear Umbra maybe. So yeah, that's probably a pretty good card too. Makes beasts. So, in all, pretty happy with it. I mean, gonna be happy with it anyway, but so that's it. Hope you all enjoyed. See you all later.